morning, students. Topic name is the first topic, the earth and the gratitude. The earth and gratitude. Earth and gratitude. Hmm? Last point is the gratitude. Last point is the gratitude. The parallel and the meridians on the globe from the net, that is called as the gratitude. You know the last three, what is the definition of the gratitude? The parallel and meridians on the globe, that means also meridians means the semicircle are known as the, that means here similar semicircle draw points placed at each degree, these semicircles are known as the meridians, and the parallel and meridians on this globe from the net, this is called as the gratitude. So that means the parallel lines and the meridians on this globe from net, this is called as the graticules. So this is known as the graticules. These facilities determine the location of the place. Figure 1.10. That means this is used for the determining the location of the place. म्हणजे ते काय करायचं, determination एखाद्या प्लेसचं करायचं असेल तर ते काय करतात, useful ठरतात. Thus we use the latitude and longitude for determining the location on this earth. This method is being used even the today's modern age quite effectively. That means this latitude and longitude for determining the location on the earth. That means एखाद्या ठिकाणचं किंवा एखाद्या प्लेस जर आपल्याला determining the location on this earth करायचं असेल तर काय करतं, हे gratitude काय करतं, useful ठरतं. This method is being used even today's modern age can be effectively. That means this method is useful for on this modern age. Geographical information system. That means geographical information system. Geographical information system, that means GIS, geographical information system, and globe positioning system, global positioning system, that means GPS, GIS and GPS, that means geographical information system, and second is the global positioning system. Also globe maps, Wikipedia and ones of ISROs on the internet also make use the latitude and the longitude. The technology is also available on the mobile phone on the motor car. That means this facility is used on this Wikipedia and ones of ISROs. This internet also make latitude on the longitude. This technology is also available in mobile phone and motor car. That means this system or this टेक्नॉलॉजी, म्हणजे ती टेक्नॉलॉजी काय आहे, एखाद्या मोबाईलमध्ये आणि मोबाईलमध्ये सुद्धा अवेलेबल आहे किंवा मोटर कारमध्ये सुद्धा अवेलेबल आहे. मेनली टू सिस्टीम यूज केल्या जातात, geographical information system and global positioning system. That means GIS and GPS, also global maps, Wikipedia and Google's app, ISRO internet also make use the latitude and longitude. This technology also available on the mobile phone or motor car. First, here do you know Indian regional positioning system? What is the Indian regional positioning system? That means India has achieved a self-reliance in global posting technology. That means India also received or also achieved the self-reliant in global posting technology. That means the India achieved this global posting technology with the help of the IRNSS. That means, what is the long form of this word? IRNSS. IRNSS. That means Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. That means Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Location any place in the India subcontinent is giving to be easy. म्हणजे ह्याच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला काय केलं जातं, एखाद्या प्लेसचे लोकेशन कळण्यासाठी. IRNS, that means the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System काय करते, युजफुल ठरते एखाद्या सबकॉन्टिनेंट जर आपल्याला बघायचं असेल. For this, India is known to its own series of seven satellite of the seven satellite. It will be then possible to locate any place in the region of South Asia and the Indian Ocean preciously. That means this is also useful for this. Locate any place in the region of South Asia and Indian Ocean preciously. That means this is the useful for this IRNSS. That means Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. You understand? And here first topic is our finished. Thank you.